If your parents pass away with rental properties, you cannot collect rent until you are appointed as the executor of the estate. So the tenants have the ability to not make any rent payments for however long you decide not to probate the properties. And so during that period of time, you'll have no rent income coming in, and you also cannot evict them for not making those rent payments because you gave them zero direction on where to send that money. And so what you need to do is get their death certificate, the original will, the petition for probate, file those documents at the probate courts in the county where your parents lived. The courts will open up the probate process, appoint you as the executor of the estate via the letters of testamentary. You will open up an EIN number and an estate bank account. You will go to the tenants, let them know your parents have passed away, and to make the checks out to the estate, you as the executor will deposit those checks into the estate, and you'll use the money inside the estate to manage those properties. Things like making mortgage payments, insurance, utilities, taxes, etc., to keep those properties chugging along. Then you'll publicly notify creditors that your parents have passed away, use the assets inside the estate to pay those debts off, and then you would distribute the remaining assets per the instructions inside of that will, and you'll do the final accounting, file that with the probate courts along with your petition to discharge you as the executor of the estate, and that will close out the probate process. If you want help probating rental properties, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.